Conditional transfers. Section 28. 28. Ulterior transfer conditional on happening or not happening of specified event. On a transfer of property, an interest therein may be created to accrue to any person with the condition superadded that in case a specified uncertain event shall happen, such interest shall pass to another person, or that in case a specified uncertain event shall not happen, such interest shall pass to another person. In each case, the dispositions are subject to the rules contained in sections 10, 12, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 27. Section 28 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 deals with ulterior transfer conditional on happening or not happening of specified event. It essentially allows for the creation of an interest in a property that will only vest in someone depending on whether a specific future event occurs or doesn't occur. Here are the key points of Section 28. 1. Conditional interest. Instead of directly transferring an interest in the property, Section 28 allows for the creation of a future conditional interest. This means that an interest can be given to someone, let's call them person A, with the additional condition that if a specific event happens or doesn't happen, then that interest will either pass to another person, person B, or extinguish completely. 2 possibilities. The section caters to 2 scenarios. Event happens. If the specified event occurs, the initial interest given to person A might simply cease to exist, and the interest will accrue to person B. Event doesn't happen. If the specified event doesn't occur, then the initial interest given to person A might still stand, depending on the terms of the transfer, or it might still pass to person B. 3 examples. To understand this better, consider these examples. Inheritance with a condition. A grandfather transfers property to his granddaughter on the condition that if she graduates with a specific degree by a certain age, the property automatically goes to her sister. This is an example where the happening of an event, graduation, triggers the transfer of the interest. Reversionary clause. A father transfers land to his son but includes a clause stating that if the son sells the land before turning 50, the land will revert back to the father. Here, the non-happening of an event, not selling the land, keeps the interest with the son, while the happening of an event, selling before 50, extinguishes it. 4 limitations. Similar to other sections of the Act, Section 28 is subject to other rules and restrictions related to transfer of property, such as those on perpetuity and alienation. 5. Legal significance. This section provides flexibility in property transfers by allowing interests to be contingent on future events. This can be useful for estate planning, ensuring responsible property usage, or creating incentives for specific actions. Further information. If you have any specific questions about Section 28 or its application in a particular scenario, feel free to ask. I am happy to provide further information or discuss how this section interacts with other legal aspects of property transfer.